Hi, my name is Jeff, and welcome back to yet another video. And today I'll be showing you guys, the people on the interwebs, how to make the world's best sauce. First, you'll want to have 2 open things of tartar sauce. Then you'll want to have 2 open things of ketchup. Now the third ingredient, malt vinegar. Next, you want to have some hot sauce. Now, the fourth and most arguably best ingredient. The fifth ingredient, for a little bit of sweetness, some syrup. Honestly, it kind of blends in with the malt vinegar, so don't even worry. Now, cocktail sauce. And now the final ingredient, dishwashing liquid. And that's just to clean it all up. Now what you want to do is get yourself a fork and just mix all of it up. Now what you want to do to add a little bit of salt from your palm sweat, you want to just dig a nice little hand imprint in it. Now, the most important step, you scoop it up, and you eat it. God, that's so disgusting! So, all jokes aside, you guys, obviously that was a comedy video. Don't actually try any of the stuff that I just did. And a little update, sorry for not posting the past couple weeks. I know I posted a couple days ago, but I've had a lot of stuff to do, school, all that, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next.